Man's turbulent relationship with oil has often left destruction and devastation in its wake. We have been powerless to prevent this having a catastrophic impact on our environment. But now, from the wetlands of Canada, comes a miracle of nature that's revolutionizing the way we manage oil. Sorb Biomatrix. Originating from sphagnum moss and harvested from this self-regenerating Canadian peat bog, it then undergoes our unique cyclonic heat activating process, converting it to a hydrophobic condition. This repels water and traps hydrocarbons. Humic acid, with the help of natural bacteria, then go to work, breaking down the hydrocarbons, changing it back to a completely biodegraded and water-retentive state. Magnified thousands of times, we can see how the cells of this heat-treated sphagnum moss are ready to encapsulate hydrocarbons. This process is absorbent, so it locks hydrocarbons within the cell walls, preventing leaching, as would happen with other adsorbent products like clay or sawdust. In this laboratory demonstration, 2 bowls are covered with light oil. A feather duster is immersed and removed, showing feathers drenched in oil, as would be the effect on bird life in oil spill conditions. A feather duster is then placed in the other bowl, covered with Sorb Biomatrix, immersed, removed, and showing no trace of oil. Two equal measured amounts of old motor oil are deposited in the test pan. Clay granules are applied to one and Sorb Biomatrix to the other. Both are left for an equal amount of time and brushed aside. It is clear from the test that clay leaves oil residue and requires more product. Old engine oil is deposited in the pan. A sheet of blown polypropylene is placed over the oil. After a given time, the pad is lifted to reveal minimal absorbing effect. The same test is reproduced using Sorb Biomatrix. Sorb Biomatrix is agitated with a brush and swept aside, showing complete absorption. Even spray paint is applied to the pan and swept up using Sorb Biomatrix. In this filter application, Sorb Biomatrix is placed in a glass funnel inside a paper filter. Oil, paint and solvents are mixed with water and poured over the Sorb Biomatrix. Clear water can be seen passing through the Sorb Biomatrix into the flask. A mixture of highly flammable solvents are poured into a glass tray. The solvents are covered in a layer of Sorb Biomatrix, and a naked flame can be passed over the surface, demonstrating complete vapor suppression.
It's a unique product. We could get lots of other products that are cheaper. For example, sawdust and clay are virtually free. The problem is both of them tend to bulk the problem up, so instead of disposing of 10 tons, you might end up disposing of 30 or 50 tons. Sorb Biomatrix works on a one-to-one basis. 1 litre of product is 1 litre absorption capacity. The best example that was publicized worldwide and has been on National Geographic, in all the newspapers, on websites, etc., was the NV treasure spill. That was the largest coastal bird disaster spill in the world in terms of affecting the penguin colonies here in Table Bay. We did the total shoreline cleanup utilizing Sorb, and we did the island cleanup. We also cleaned some of the penguins with it, and on every cleanup, every bioremediation job, every water filtration job, we utilize the product.
This non-toxic remedy is capable of absorbing oils, fuels, paints, polymers, alcohols, insecticides, herbicides, solvents, coolants, and medical and biological waste. Nature has throughout the ages adapted to its challenges and in so doing maintained balance. Spill Sorb Biomatrix is providing nature's answer to the effects of some of man's most damaging agents. Spill Sorb Biomatrix. Environmental intelligence.